How to post longer text on X Twitter. Now, first things first, before you do this method, make sure that your X Twitter app is updated to the latest version. So just simply pull up your Google Play Store and look for the X Corp or the X Twitter app. Now you will be able to know if your X Twitter app needs an updating because there is going to be update button visible. Just simply tap on that and it will automatically update by itself. Now, for you to be able to post longer text, just go to the plus icon right here, which is highlighted as blue, and choose post. Now, in here, you'll be able to know if you have reached the maximum characters or the text in next Twitter because the rest of the letters will be highlighted as red. So if you deleted all the characters that is going to be highlighted as red, that's the time that you can go ahead and post the longer text on X Twitter. Now, if you need more space and if you need more characters to post, just simply choose or click or tap the plus icon again right here, which is going to be located at the lower right portion of your phone. Just simply tap on that and it will automatically add another post. So this is going to be the page for you to be able to continue your characters text, and then you'll have to be able to choose on the plus icon right here for you to continue on adding text characters on your post. So that's how you add longer text or long post on X Twitter app.